Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do something a little different for my plan with me today. I'm going to be working in my B6 Napa Burgundy notebook from Mystic's Little Gifts. So this cover is from Mystic's Little Gifts. It's kind of scratched and marred and scarred. And this is the planner or notebook that I keep with me by the computer when I'm doing things on the computer, when I'm designing, when I'm making phone calls and just need to jot something down. So it's not fancy, it's nothing special. This is just a inexpensive notebook that I use to, again, jot things down, make notes. And you see I have my pens kind of just stuck in the spine here. I have this one hooked onto the elastic so it doesn't just fall out, because I haven't put any pen holders in here yet. But this is my B6 Stalogy, and I kind of started out using this as a daily, and I fell off, as you can see. So I pick it up off and on as far as doing dailies. When there's a lot going on, I'll come and do lists and write things down, make notes of what happened on particular days, things like that. But let's see, and I was trying to keep up with it as a daily, and as you can see here, I laid it out and I did not finish. And then here's just me drawing in the days. I did a little experimenting with highlighters and things like that, hand lettering. And then here I kind of wrote everything that was happening that day. So Wednesday the 24th was the last time I used this, the 24th of June. So I'm going to flip over, and I don't know why this didn't dawn on me before, but it just dawned on me. Well, why don't you just do a weekly spread in it? Now I guess I could take this out. Yeah, I can take it out. It slides out pretty easily. So, and put that to the side. So because I've done from scratch spreads in other notebooks, and this is no different from any other notebook, so I'm going to go ahead and do a weekly spread. And then if I find I need more room to jot down things, I can always turn the page and do a daily, which is kind of what bullet journaling is anyway. I don't know why I didn't think of it, but I didn't until like a few minutes ago. So anyway, I'm going to use one of these dolls from Coco's Vision, since this week is the week of the 4th of July. I've already done a spread using this freebie that's available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. And I also use these date headers and date dots and to-do stickers, etc., that are available to Plus and Elite members over on my Patreon, which is patreon.com/scrapcraftastic. So I'm going to use some of these to go along with this once again, and I'm going to make a weekly spread, and I'm going to kind of do it the same way I used to do my from scratch spread. So basically this is a from scratch spread, and I have things stuck in here. There's a video showing how I made these writing boards or dashboards. This is the washi that I'm going to use, at least some of it. I'll probably be adding to it. That's what I'm going to start with. So I stick a dark piece of paper underneath when I'm working in a book like this, because I have a problem seeing where one page ends, one page begins. So to make it easier for me to see it instead of struggling trying to see, I just put the paper there because I kind of want my tape to be all the way to the edge as much as possible. Kind of want to mimic the flag up top a little bit. I mean, I know it's not exact, but you get the idea. I'll smooth my paper over so I can see what I'm doing. It's really taken me a long time to lay this washi down. I'm somewhat out of practice. I haven't really been planning. Well, I don't feel like I've been planning regularly lately. Just haven't been in the mood, and it seems like that this time of year this happens to me every year, and I didn't do that right, and that page is now wrinkled. So it's gonna take a little finesse to do a from scratch spread in this B6 Stalogy. I can already tell, but I like the way that looks. Okay, now I need to get some thin washi and divide these columns up. I'll probably end up using that gold and white because I don't think I have anything that's just plain blue or red. Oh, I do have some red from Christmas that I can use. Or do I want to be more subtle? Let's figure it out. Do I want to put the red across the bottom too? Or the stars? Even though I have stars across the top. I don't like that. Let's try the red. Let's go ahead and put down our days. Since the blues are not exactly the blue, I'm going to go ahead and use the red. Days. So we're going to do Monday. So even though the blue isn't exactly the same color blue, I'm thinking I can use it for the dates. Since I've already used the red. Let's see. I'm a little too picky for that. If it wasn't close to it, then I probably wouldn't, it wouldn't matter, but it's a little too close. Plus, I kind of want to use my big numbers, so let's use those. Even though they don't match the color scheme, it doesn't really matter. Get out my colorful boxes because I have an appointment, a teledoc appointment on Wednesday. So I'm going to use one of these for that. Then I have another appointment on Monday. So I'm going to use this for that. And I think I'm going to use a bigger box because I hardly ever use them, just to list some things that I need to do for the week. Let's use one of these busy day stickers. Okay, so I think I did not record some of this. I'm out of practice, obviously. But I had a sampler sheet of these little deco stickers. So I kind of just went through and put those down in different places. I also used one of my moon stickers. There is a special moon on the 4th called the Buck Moon. I'm not sure if I had the pizza night included or not. I put down a little coffee drink here, a little laptop here for working on the computer. I plan to do my hair on a Tuesday, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully I caught all of that, but just in case I didn't, I decided to pop on and explain it. So that's it for this spread, and I will be doing more in this. And as I mentioned, if I don't have enough room here for what I need, then I have pages that I can work with as far as dailies here, and I can use these extra day of the week stickers that I have, and I can also cut up the sheet, the date cover sheet that I have that I use for this page. So I have plenty of ways to date, and I could just do it by hand like I have been doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Also, visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!